The old Victorian house looked perfect for a basement concert venue. High ceilings, stone walls, great acoustics. The local metal band set up their equipment on Friday night, ready for their first underground show. During sound check, they noticed something odd. Every time they played a certain chord progression, the stone walls vibrated differently. Not normal resonance. More like something was responding. The drummer hit a specific rhythm, and the basement temperature dropped 20 degrees. The guitarist's solo made shadows dance without light sources. But it was the vocalist's screams that changed everything. Each scream loosened whatever was sealed in the walls. Ancient symbols began glowing between the stones, pulsing in rhythm with the music. The band played harder, faster, possessed by the energy surrounding them. Their small underground show became a symphony of the damned. The walls cracked open, revealing countless faces, mouths open in eternal screams, joining the band's music. The house wasn't built as a home. It was built as a prison for a choir of the damned. Now the band plays every night, their music mixing with the screams of the walls. Their audience grows, not all of them living. The house feeds on the sound, on the energy, on the souls drawn to its dark concert hall. The next show is at midnight. Tickets are still available. Just don't join in when the walls start singing.